Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Trinidad and Tobago-based A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, a subsidiary of the separate group, has formally launched a mandatory offer to acquire all remaining shares in Caribbean producers Jamaica CPJ within the next 30 days. The move follows A.S. Bryden & Sons' acquisition of an additional 30.4% stake in CPJ in December. Now, that move brought its total ownership to 75.3%. The company had previously secured a 44.8% stake in CPJ in July 2024. The mandatory offer is being made in compliance with the rules of the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE, where both A.S. Bryden & Sons and CPJ are listed. According to the stock exchange's general principles relating to takeovers and mergers, any entity that acquires more than 50% of the issued share capital of another company is required to extend an offer to purchase all outstanding shares from remaining shareholders. The Bank of Jamaica again intervened in the foreign exchange market with another $30 million following yesterday's intervention with a similar sum. JMB Bank secured the bulk of the funds with $6 million, followed by NCB with $4 million, JN Bank with $3.5 million, and Scotiabank with $2 million. At the close of foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios were selling the American dollar for an average $156.85. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.59. $195.21 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $165.20. On the stock market, the JC index declined by 742 points, while the junior market index advanced by 1 point. 46 shares gained ground today, including Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Access Financial Service, Blue Power Group, T-Tech, and JFP. There were 56 losing shares, led by First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, JMMB 9.5%, JPS 9.5%, Elite Diagnostic, and Iron Rock Insurance. 11 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis.